The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Friday morning, guys. Barry, Ed, thank you, Ed. Good morning, fellas. It is Friday. Thank you, Richard. Another week comes to an end. Heading into the home stretch of summer. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. I got to spend the day yesterday at Motor Vehicles. Always a fun day at the Department of Motor Vehicles. It's always very quick, too. That's what I like about it. Morning, guys. You folks are here on trial. Yep, today is options expiration. Thank you, Lori. Generally a choppy day to trade. Morning, Robert. One of my least favorite days to trade, if I'm honest. You were at the BMW yesterday too. You didn't see me at the BMW dealership? Oh, you were at the DMV. I'm sorry. I thought it was BMW. Yeah, my wife and I. Yeah, and it's only $33 for most of you. Good morning, Chris. For most of you guys, your trials will end today. We do have one or maybe two that will conclude next week. But for those of you that may be here on trial, I hope you enjoyed the week. While it was a relatively quiet week for the algos, algo 3.1 this week I think is up $1,400. Not much, but it did not have a losing trade. Knock on wood. And continues to grind up $6,600 or so for the month. We'll see what Delta right now is insignificant. I mean, it's literally negative 26 contracts. It's volume is low. So we'll look for a few trades and call it a day, or call it a week, actually. Next week on Friday, I will be gone. Next week is the rescheduled vacation that my wife had booked it to North Carolina for my birthday. So I'll run the room Thursday morning, but we'll be gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'll be back late Sunday. But next week, Friday, I will be off. In any event, let's get on with it. First off, I don't think we're going to have any news of any interest. Everything's kind of behind us. Yeah, we have no news. University of Michigan consumer sentiment. I don't see any speakers today. Doesn't mean one can't pop up, but nothing today, guys. No new other than options expiration. We have nothing today. Whoop, wrong one. Let's try this again. All right, guys. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We're off. Sellers in. I'm getting some lag. This could come to 66 again. We're going to make it to 81. That's 81 is where this is going. I'm just going to put on small. I'll put on 2.
Order filled.
Try and hold to 81. That's yesterday's close. That'll put us even. I'll take them off about 80.
Order submitted.
Watch up here at 92. 92 was the breakdown area this morning. Is that your algo, Bob? Did you go long again on the algo?
No, that's me. I put 2 on just to get it to yesterday's close.
Gotcha. I got nothing yet. So
I'm just playing with this to get it to yesterday's close.
Order filled.
There it is. Yesterday's close. Now we're actually above 77. If we get above the 77 quarter, maybe 78, this can break out. Not one single algo signal today on the NASDAQ. There's not just, well, I won't get volume update till 10:30. We're going higher, guys. This is going to grind itself up to 615, I think. Probably going to 603 now, yesterday's high. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, never mind, Ken. Come on. You're going to get a trade here, guys.
Order submitted.
And away we go. And frickin' nothing. Absolutely nothing. It just stopped. It just stopped. Uh-oh. She's making an assault. Stopped again. Come on. Purse criminy freaking Ludwig levels. Pam, move your levels, will you? Like 5 ticks. That's all I need. Up. Move them a little higher for me. All 3 are in a trade, guys. One more candle break, and obviously you'll get a winner here and here. But my daily loss is going to kick in soon here and close this trade. Unless this thing comes back down pretty quickly below 46. This looks like it's going to go back up to 65. The downside target is 16.75, which ultimately is where this is coming. But we have 12 sellers here. I'm going to get stopped out here on my daily loss. I have no way to change that. We're back above VWAP with buyers. We're going to 66. What a crock of shit. What an absolute crock of shit today. It's put in a lower swing. So it's still they've all got a shot still. What you don't want to see here now is a higher low. It has to take out that entry. This is what we don't want to see. No. It's got to sell here, 50 quarter. If we break back down below VWAP, maybe 46, I think the trade works. But if it pops back up, it's done. It's going to put in a higher low. Uh-oh. We might get the, oh my God, one ticked it. 15 sellers. Nothing going on here, guys. Absolutely nothing. We're still holding VWAP. We're going to get a higher pivot. God dang. A higher low here. Yep, higher low here at 48. The trade was 42 quarter. If this takes out this swing, it's done. It's done. I'm telling you, it's done. It's done. We're going long. Would be my guess. Well, if it fails here, it's yet a lower pivot. Come on, dog. Work. Anybody still holding this trade? Or am I the only idiot in it?
No. My entry's way lower, though.
Well, listen, I just want to get first target here.
No, I'm in with you, but I didn't get your fill.
Come on, rat bag. Push here. Come on, break that little pivot. Oh, man, we're almost there. Come on, dog. Interestingly enough, this got this took a short at 45, 46. This is 4 handles lower.
Yeah, I still have shorts in this, Bob. So I'm not for what that's worth. But it is.
Ah, come on. If we look at this, guys, I'm telling you, you're within 50. We were within ticks of this trade working out. It may still work out. It's telling me it's shorts. We've put in consecutive lower highs, but we're basically double bottoming here at this 42. If it snaps, it's going. I got to check my settings on this. We're holding this 42 like a life raft. If this snaps, you get first target quick.
Order cancel.
Yo, trade worked, baby. She worked. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We got first and second targets here.
Order canceled.
Oh my God, that was painful. I'm done. Up 500. Done.
Order canceled.
Done here. Up 600.
Order canceled.
Done here.
Order filled.
Done for the day. Wow. 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 Dude, that hurt. Seriously, that hurt.
Yeah.
That was the short I took order flow wise that I closed and just said enough. All right, guys. On that note, August 16th, one trade, one winner, 100%. And what did we do? 1740. All right, so here's today. August 16th, one trade, one winner, 100%. 1740. That was like, seriously, that was, I don't know what giving birth is like, but that's got to be similar. That was the most excruciating thing I've ever watched in my life, that lack of volatility. Here is 3-2. One trade, one winner. And let's see here. 605. And 3-3 is up 500. All right, now let me ask you guys a question. Who closed the trade? What are the new 3.3 settings? They're essentially the set. First off, Brian, they're in the member area. I finished up right around 1870, but I gave back a chunk on that last short that didn't work and then finally went. The algos are all green. 3-1, 3-2, and 3-3. All right, guys, have a blessed week.